Award-winning Aeroshell Aerobatic team. It will be their downward veterans, Lombard Sullivan. So the team they will follow the team leader up, looking only at his airplane. As he gets right about here, he'll call smoke on now. Ready, ready, ready. The team gets 4 different points on the compass for the veterans. The Marine Corps, the Army Air Corps, and the Commonwealth countries. Photo pass now, showing you that tight formation. Meeting on the bottom one. Then the next group is Steve Gustafson. Mark Henley from Birmingham, Alabama. Gene McNeely from Daytona Beach. Brian Lane from Indiana. Steve Gustafson from Louisiana. Upside down, turning and diving. To change positions from finger 4 and slide back into that slot position right behind the leader. And he nailed it again. The lights of the other towns from way up there. You can watch the summer stars come down. Again, a big wave and a thank you to the award-winning Aeroshell Aerobatic team. They are Mark Henley, they are Brian Reagan, they are Steve Gustafson, and they are Gene McNeely, the favorite sons of Stuart, the award-winning Aeroshell Aerobatic team. In the air or on the ground, daylight or twilight time, they are the champions.